In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text on slides using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're collaborating with international colleagues or creating a presentation for a global audience, this feature can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in and explore how you can translate text right within your PowerPoint slides, easily and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like an obvious step, but remember that translating text directly on your slides is only possible if you have PowerPoint up and running. Once you have the program open, the next step is to navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation you're working on. You can do this by selecting it from your recent files or browsing through your folders to open the presentation that's ready for translation. With your presentation open, let's move on to the Review tab. You'll find this tab at the top of your PowerPoint interface, nestled between the View and Help tabs. Clicking on the Review tab reveals a variety of tools designed to assist with editing and proofreading your presentation content, including our star tool for today, Translate. Now go ahead and click on Translate in the Review tab. This action will activate the translation features within PowerPoint, allowing you to start the process of translating text from one language to another. Once you've clicked the Translate button, you're ready to select the specific text on your slide that you want to translate. Do this by clicking on the text box containing the text. Ensuring you select the correct text box is crucial because you want to make sure that the translation is applied to the intended text segment. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the language you want to translate your text into. PowerPoint offers a range of language options so that you can select the one that best suits your audience. Browse through the available languages and select the one that matches your requirements. After you have selected the language, it's time to click on Insert. By doing this, PowerPoint will replace the original text in your text box with the translated version. And just like that, you've transformed your presentation into a more globally accessible format. How easy was that? Translating text directly on your PowerPoint slides not only saves time but also enhances the reach and impact of your presentations. This feature is a boon for anyone looking to present their ideas across language barriers effortlessly. I hope this simple walkthrough empowers you to utilize PowerPoint's translation capabilities in your future presentations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks on using Microsoft PowerPoint effectively. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.